Cute, guys! Balik na sila. Wow! Cute! Wala na isa. Uy!
Because birds are actually a very good biological indicator. Now, every after calamity such as typhoons or earthquake, if you happen to see birds flying above us in a circular pattern, that's actually a good sign that it's now safe to return. So please, look for these kinds of signs.
Every disaster where given a chance to rebuild, to assess our mistakes and learn from them. We hope you join us in our efforts to preserve and preserve the environment. Remember to always be part of the solution and not part of the pollution. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the cast and crew of the longest running interactive bird show here in the Philippines, and we have been doing this for the past 20 years already.
And that is our show. Hope you had fun.
Yeah!
Something today, but most importantly, cherish this moment with your family, friends, and loved ones in this beautiful paradise we call the Malagos Garden Resort. And for our last words, it's going to be coming from Cookie, saying, "Bye everyone!" Daghang salamat o mayong buntag sa atong tanan.
Lucky, congratulations, Kim Lucky. Ako dito na tayo sa losing Kim. Kuya Jeffrey, ano po nangyari kay Kaka? Usapin ko, Jeffrey, pinagigil lang raw ni Kaka si Rookie. So, Team Kaka, papayag po ba kayo na walang rematch? Hindi rematch raw po tayo. So, our players are ready, set, label. Let's shoot
As you can see, our preschooler ducks and people chickens already were inside their classrooms. Right. And about fundraising na rin tayo, which can only mean that our class is about to start. My name is Ian, and I'm actually one of your hosts in this 40 minutes of nature discovery experience. Now today, what we're going to do is we're going to learn a lot about birds, nature, and culture, and hopefully by the end of this show, we get to learn more about ourselves and our relationship with Mother Nature. Now I'm just happy to notice because I do see a lot of kids present here today. Ayun, ang dami pala nating kids. Kaya naman sa mga estudyante natin dyan. Ayun, ang dami nating kids over there. Alright. But you know what? For today, hindi lang po sila yung mga estudyante natin. In fact, all of you are going to school together. Because what better way to learn and understand about birds, nature, and culture than learning it from our teacher birds themselves. Now let me just share this one with you, that our teacher birds are actually rescued and donated birds that we can no longer release back in the wild. Why? Because first, most of these birds are non-endemic. Ibig pong sabihin, hindi po sila taga rito. Even if they're physically fit, but if we release them back in the wild, surely they won't survive our environment. Secondly, most of these birds are left disabled from their previous injury. Which is why we here in Malagos Garden Resort, we take this opportunity to do this activity to entertain our rehabilitated birds and at the same time teach you our guests about environmental and cultural awareness. So yan po yung gagawin natin this morning. Okay po ba?
Okay.
Alright, since all of you are ready, we are ready as well. So let's now proceed to our first subject. And our first topic would be about good manners and right conduct, or GMRC. Now to teach us about good manners and right conduct, how to welcome our first teacher and at the same time, the star student of the Malagos Bird School, an African gray parrot. Now, a little trivia muna tayo about the African gray parrot. Did you know that among the parrot family, the African gray parrots are considered to be the most intelligent one? Did you know about that? And alam nyo din ba that they even think like that of a 3-year-old child? Interesting, right? Now, at this point, testingin muna natin kung gaano katalino yung African gray parrot natin. Now, can you greet your fellow classmates over here, the traditional way of greeting here in Malagos? Sige na? Don't be shy. Narinig niyo yun? Ano sabi ng teacher bird natin? Sabi niya?
Madayaw.
Madayaw. Because that's how we greet here in Malagos. Mabuhay o madayaw. Pero teka muna. Hindi ka pa napakilala ng sarili mo. Can you please introduce yourself to your classmate? Your name is? Mama. What's the name of our teacher bird? Sino nakarinig?
Lala.
Lola?
Lala.
Bata pa lang na.
Lala. Lala.
How about the others?
Lala.
What's the name of our teacher bird?
Lala. Lala.
Donald? It's actually Ola.
Hola.
Pinoy po yan, sir. Pinoy lang po. It's actually Donald. Pasensya nyo lang po. Just lang po talaga yung teacher bird natin. But everybody need Donald. And for the benefit of the others who weren't able to hear his name, once again, your name is...
Now, like food and water. Now, for the next part of the class, I need everyone to be a bit serious, no? Today, we're going to talk about climate change. Diba, heat waves are crazy in the summer, sobrang init na po pag summer, our glaciers are melting, and recently natamaan po tayo ng bagyong Paeng, which disrupted a lot of livelihoods and homes. Now, we in Malagos believe that collectively, we can do so much. The first step we need to do to help save Mother Nature is to learn how to properly segregate our waste. And Red here will be teaching us na nakitang plastics to Red, and everybody according to Red, plastics are non-biodegradable o di nabubulok. Good job, Red. Now, on this side naman, may nakitang dahon si Teacher Red. So, Red, is that biodegradable or non-biodegradable? Ayan, very good. Now, everybody, according to Teacher Red, ang dahon na po ay biodegradable o nabubulok. Good job, that's it for Red for today. Can everybody please say bye, Teacher Red? course, why it is very important to stress that climate change is not... What is happening? Kaka is giving hello to everyone. Hello na po sa ating Kaka. And of course, we have another cockatoo. We have Ruki. And Ruki is doing signature dance, no? We have Bang. Now for today, for our PE time, magpa-basketball showdown na po ating mga cockatoos. And of course, bago po sila magpa-basketball showdown, mag-warm up lang po muna ang ating players. So sige nga, anong warm up ninyo? Ako ay Ronald Schooler papunta sa basketball court si Kaka at si Ruki para lesser carbon emission and save sa environment. Palakpakan naman for Kaka and Ruki, everyone. Ayan, so nakapag-warm up na po ating mga players. Kami po ni Ruki yung magiging referee. Ano po ba yung kulang natin? What else we lack? We lack cheerers. Now from this side up to this side over here, I need you all to cheer for team Ruki. So when I say let's cheer for Ruki, you all say Ruki, Ruki. Okay po ba? Ayan, on this side naman up to this side over here, I need you all to cheer for team Kaka. So when I say let's cheer for Kaka, you all say Kaka, Kaka. Okay po ba? Sige nga. Let me hear the cheer for team Ruki.
Ruki! Ruki!
Ako, ang cheer ng Team Ruki. Parang hindi nakapag-breakfast. Wala na kayong si Ruki. Let's give it another try. Everybody, let me hear the cheer for Team Ruki!
Ruki! Ruki! Ruki! Ruki!
How about for Team Kaka? Ay, walang energetic na Team Kaka. I think everyone is ready. Our players are ready. Set, play ball. Let's cheer for Team Kaka! Unfortunately, everyone, we only have 2 teacher breaks for today. So for our volunteers, pwede na po tayo maupo. Palakpakan naman for our brave volunteers. And of course, for our teacher breaks over here. Now, I'd like to ask, kanino pong pera ito nakuha ni Waki at Wako? Whose man is this? Kay ma'am, and kanino po po yung isa? And ma'am, over here, ako tingnan nyo raw ang gagawin ni Waki at Wako sa pera nakuha nila.
Ibalik, ibalik. Parang isup-sup-sup.
Maraming salamat po and more blessings to come. To be a part of your nature and culture experience today. By the way, my partners over here are both eclectus parrots. And something very interesting in the eclectus parrot family, no, is for them, iba po ang kulay ng mga babae at iba po ang kulay ng mga lalaki. So I'd like to ask everyone here, between these 2 birds over here, which one do you think is the girl? Is it the green one or the red one?
Red one.
Nako, may nagsasabi ng green, may nagsasabi ng red, no? So for those who think that the girl is the green one, can you please raise your hand para makita ko? Who thinks that the girl is the green one? Ayan, very good. Ang dami mali. Because actually, in the eclectus parrot family, the red ones are the girls and the green ones are the boys. So this one perched over my shoulder is actually Ruki.
Kapitan, our Philippine Hawk Eagle. Hindi po sila yung mga Philippine Eagles, hindi rin po yung mga monkey-eating eagles. Kasi Philippine Eagles actually have a wingspan that reaches 7 to 8 feet. Ganyan kahaba. Papansinin nila naman si Kapitan over here. Masyadong maikli lang po. But because of its facial feature, because of its color, madalas pag lumilipad yung mga Philippine Hawk Eagle in the Philippine forest, napagkakamalan na rin silang Philippine Eagle. Now, since our topic is about bird diet, pansinin niyo po, ay kinakain si Kapitan. You know what that is? Ano po yung kinakain ni Kapitan? Mouse? Pwede? How the others? May narinig mong s'mores?
Bird?
Or? Pwede. It's actually meat. Karne. It can be beef, rabbit, rats, snakes, or even little birds. Not all birds who like to eat meat, that's what we call as raptors. So remember, for birds who like to eat meat, that's what we call as raptors. Yung mga kinakain naman nila, that's what we call as prey. So remember the terms raptors and prey. That's it for Kapitan, or Philippine Hawk Eagle. A big happy. Now, I mentioned about raptors because there are actually two types of raptors. Now, the first type of raptor is what we call as diurnal raptors, or birds who are active during daytime, just like Kapitan. He's a diurnal raptor. Now, the second type of raptor is what we call as nocturnal raptors, or birds who are active during nighttime. Now, who can give me one famous example of a nocturnal raptor? Owl. That's right, owls. Now, I have an owl by the window side. Everyone meet Brian, our Philippine eagle owl, a Philippine endemic bird. Now let me just explain to you. Pag we put Brian from the window side down over here, that's actually what we call as silent flight. Do you agree? Just like what Brian is doing right now. No matter how much he flaps his wing, he can barely hear a sound. That is because of his feathers. It has the ability to absorb the sound, which makes him very effective when hunting for his prey, even at night. Now at this point, I'm going to bring out two more other owls so that we can check and compare. Next to the mouth is Noah. Now do you see Noah? Where's Noah? Ayun si Noah. Noah is a common grass owl, and common grass owl loves to live in lowland areas. Now, after Noah, I'm going to bring out Ina. Now, on my far right is Ina, and Everett Scops Owl. Now, I already have three owls over here. We have Ina, Brian, and Noah. Now, at this point, pag-kumarahin natin yung tatlong owls, my first question would be, among the three owls, sino yung pinakamaliit? Can you point at the owl? Which owl? Is it Ina, Brian, or Noah? It's actually Ina over here. Now, you might be asking, kaya naman talaga kaliliit yung mga Everett Scops owl? The answer is yes. In fact, Ina over here is already an adult Everett Scops owl. Now, my second question would be, among the three owls, sino yung may pinakamalaking mata? Which owl has the biggest eyes? Can you point at the owl?
Ina.
Can you point po?
Ina.
Point at the owl. Nalilito ako. Parang sa akin nakaturo yung mga kamay niyo. Parang iba na po yung ibig niyo sabihin. Si ma'am, tinuturo pa. It's actually what the thing else is Brian over here. You notice, he has one set of large and very clear eyes, which makes him very effective when hunting for his prey. Now, speaking about prey, since our topic is still about bird diet, alam niyo ba kung anong gustong-gusto kinakain ng mga owls? Do you know? They actually like to eat mice, rodents, mga daga, na ayaw natin mga tao kasi grass-brain diseases. Fatal diseases such as leptospirosis, a very deadly disease that could kill us humans. But come to think about it, ito na po yung tulong na binibigay ng mga owls sa atin kasi kinakain nila yung mga daga na ayaw. Now notice the majestic bird by the balcony. Now everyone meet Kelly, our Mindanao Caribbean hornbill, a Mindanao endemic bird. Now if you're coming from Luzon, do you have guests from Luzon? Can you raise your hand? Ayun, we have guests from Luzon. How about from Visayas? You have guests from Visayas? How about from the other countries? How about from other planet? Ay, wala. Ayun si sir. No, you know what? If you're from Luzon, Visayas, or other countries, you're very fortunate because you witnessed a Mindanao endemic bird na isang Mindanao Taliktik hornbill. But you know what? There's actually a sad story about the Mindanao Taliktik hornbill. You know why? Over the years, their population has continuously decreased. Paunti na po ng paunti yung Mindanao Taliktik hornbill natin. All because of deforestation. If you notice, we have so many buildings, so many subdivisions, or even malls, which are actually good for us humans,
but not so much for our feathered friends kasi hindi natin namamalayan, unti-unti na pala natin kinakain yung mga lugar where they once lived to breed and multiply. That's why we here in Malagos Garden Resort, we advocate to wildlife conservation breeding program, and as a matter of fact, through the efforts of the late Dr. Bo Pentestina, we have success. I am si Ma'am. Now you may approach our bird technician so that he can teach you on how we can be carried this morning.